Hi there, and welcome. I'm looking today to kind of make a little challenge for myself in this game, Satisfactory, and it's just going to be more or less like something that's going to be helping me in the long run, trying to improve my builds, because this is more or less my starter base area, and I've expanded and gone over here. And one thing you might notice, obviously, there's a floating platform, and that's not quite realistic, and yeah, some people might not like that design. But over here, you've got these belts kind of running across the top. You've got some kind of running in here, but for the most part, I've left this all untouched. Like, this is kind of where I started, and I was building over here, and it's all very flat. The challenge, if you can tell by the title and probably on the side of the window here, there's the floor is lava sort of challenge, and like I kind of got this inspiration from another YouTube video. And so over here, it's excrombulent. I may have said that very wrong, and I am very bad at words and stuff, but this is sort of where I got the idea from.
Having all those problems, if you can just read your factory from the ground floor and navigate your factory on the ground floor without having to jump over everything all the time, it's so much better. Not having to jump over, even just not having to do that. I find that just onerous now. I know, okay? I know it's...
Yeah, it's not nothing, but it's something, right? So exactly. It's not nothing, but it's something. But what that nothing made me do is made me not want to ever come over here. It's something. I'm realizing that. And I've always wanted to improve my base material and stuff, and it's hard to want to go back. But if you build with the intention to design kind of more upward, like I started to do, but this is already a mess. But this is kind of what my little storage hub idea was, and I've seen this on other videos and things, but I haven't been too happy with it. Alright, I need to have a better design moving forward. So let me kind of skedaddle over here. But yeah, I kind of decided okay, I need to start expanding a little bit more. Let me spread some stuff out. But kind of taking his idea, and I've watched another video of his where he had a very compact blueprint build. This little monstrosity here, I haven't quite even finished it either, but I built dimensional depots, which I've been seeing in other builds and things. But you put that up on top of the storage container, and you just kind of loop it back in. And obviously, it's once you get far enough in, and you get the industrial, whatever, yada yada. Well, that's where I'm at right now. You know, I'm about to finish phase 2 here. Cool. Alright, sorry, Bean. I was about to hit you. Oh, hi. So, yeah, I was just struggling with just getting how do I expand without already having the things unlocked. Well, here it is, and now it's unlocked. I can go ahead and start working on it and everything. And so with that idea of the floor is lava, I want to have no belts on the floor. That's what I want to try to do. Obviously, you can't really have buildings not on floors. You can, but you can't, which would be another interesting idea. I'll explore that a little more. But anyways, for now, belts. From now on, I do not want to have any more belts on the floor, because you just can't move around them very easily. Yeah, you can jump, but you get kind of stuck. And yeah, some of the stuff in the air gets messy, but guess what? You just look away. And look, it's clean underneath. Just don't look up. It's they made a movie or something about that, but anywho. Yeah, so got a little space elevator area over here. But I know I'm never going to want to come back here because all the belts are on the floor. Say all, and then here's some that are up above. But I want to have that idea that I need to not skimp on that sort of detail. I didn't realize until later how annoying these belts kind of get in the way of just moving around. If you kind of I'll put his video in the description as well. But if you in his video, he really goes on about just the importance and how easy if you got belts up running all across here, because you can just go boom and boom, drag it wherever you want and whatever. But that, which is cool, he's not wrong, it's great. And I even used it over there too. It's it's just I kind of want to either get used to that and then just pull it down, because I guess I do remember seeing another video where it's somebody built across say here, and it's okay, now I need the materials from there. You just kind of pull them down to wherever you need it, and then now you can belt from there over. So that's not what I'm going to do over here. So let me fix all this. And of course it leaves the little mounty guys, but that's kind of my plan moving forward. I think in the future builds it'll be a little bit cleaner, in the sense that you can see kind of what the heck is happening. But I think this is sort of an idea where I'm going to use Smart Plater to kind of have my overflow go up higher. Because that's the other benefit. It's just like having another line where it's just quickly, like you just build it right off of it. You know, just take this splitter here, and I think I plunged it in, copy that over. And yeah, it's pretty trivial at this point. I probably need to reconnect this belt. But yeah, it's something I'm going to try to, like, as kind of a new player, I want to try getting over this hump. Like, I feel like there's this, like, mid-tier hump for new players. Me, others, you probably watching. Maybe you're not quite up to mid-tier yet, or yeah, you're an expert and you already know what the heck I'm saying and you need to be doing all this stuff. But as kind of this mid-tier player, like, I've never really messed with trains yet, so I really want to get to that point. We'll see how that goes, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed kind of seeing what my game plan is. Kind of want to focus more on the planning side of things and like getting the logistics eventually at some point, and kind of organizing how a base should be. Obviously, people have mega bases and people have this and that, and they've been playing for years. Like, yeah, it just released technically, but I guess I played it like 3 or 4 years back as well, which was a lot of fun. But it just, like, I only played a couple hours, and it's just only now I'm getting back into this game. I have a lot of love for this game, and I'm really liking what they're going into. So now I need to go fix my power because it should be flat, and there's other issues with fluids, so I gotta go solve that problem. But until now, hope you have a good one.